Today we're going to be looking at the new Vaporesso Armour Max starter kit, the next dual battery powerhouse designed for the advanced DTL vapors. With a 220 watt max power output, the device offers a tough exterior structure paired with the powerful Axon chipset, offering an extensive temperature control suite, including Vaporesso's boost mode and FT mode, powered by fast charging Type-C USB, paired with the 8ml iTank 2, offering a button lock top fill system, utilizing Vaporesso's GTI mesh coil series. Welcome back everybody to the Element Vape channel. And for those of you that are new to this page, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all the latest vape products and reviews. Now let's get right into it and present the new Armour Max starter kit by Vaporesso. And here we have the new Armour Max starter kit by Vaporesso. Crafted from durable TPU material, the device offers complete protection from accidental drops and scratches, rocking a sporty exterior look to drive that message across the board. Available in 5 different colorways to choose from. Here we have the yellow edition for today's review. Utilizing dual 21700 or 18650 batteries, the Armour Max delivers a max power output of 220 watts, powered by fast charging Type-C USB. The Armour Max offers a dual action fire button. Here we can activate the device as intended, as well as locking the device completely by pushing the button upwards. With a large 0.96 inch TFT color display screen, followed by 2 adjustment keys. We also have our Type-C USB charge port rested below. If we flip this device over, we have the Vaporesso logo back here with a button activated battery door. There's our dual battery setup with the negative and positive markings down below. The device will be paired with Vaporesso's iTank 2, accompanied by a soft silicone cover, rotating top fill system, housing up to 8ml of e-liquid, dual slotted bottom adjustable airflow control, utilizing Vaporesso's GTI mesh coil series, bringing you great tasting flavors and dense vapor production. To power on the device, press the firing button 5 times, and the main screen will showcase the selected power mode, puff record, coil resistance, dual battery bars, and our wattage level. We can adjust our wattage level by increments of 1. With a max power output of 220 watts, no round robin feature, we can lock the wattage function by pressing both adjustment keys together. Integrating the advanced Axon chipset, the Armour Max offers an extensive temperature control suite. Press the firing button 3 times to enter the main settings, to which we can toggle between FT mode, pulse mode, eco mode, stainless steel, nickel, and titanium. Over here in the general settings, we can enable or disable the smart atomizer recognition feature, lock our temperature control, reset our puff record, change the color display, adjust the screen's brightness, revert back to the default settings, and check on the chip's version number. The package will include the Armour Max box mod, an 8ml iTank 2 with a pre-installed 0.2 ohm GTI mesh coil, a 0.4 ohm GTI mesh coil, 2 18650 battery adapter sleeves, an extra straight glass tube with spare O-rings, a Type-C USB charging cable, and lastly, a user manual. Thanks for watching today's video on the new Vaporesso Armour Max 220 watt starter kit. Check out these other related videos and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.